one, not a single person would represent. Wow.
2, 1, let's go!
It's just that I wanted to put this on record, Madam Chair, that not one, not a single person would represent PAOK in this very important investigation. We don't have a session today because of this hearing. We were supposed to have a Thursday session. It's raining outside, flooded all over. We are all here working. But PAOK doesn't have any representative, not one, who would be able to represent PAOK for the Senate. I'm warning all of the government agencies. Baka hindi nyo alam kung anong Senado. And it's a sign of disrespect, I have to say. And I joined the gentleman from San Juan for the deferral of their budget, Madam Chair. If I am not accepting the letter that was sent today, Madam Chair, today, that no one, not a single person would represent PAOK in this investigation. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Sen Joel. Not one of the two directors, but it's only fair for the subcommittee to insist that someone from the PAOK be present and or at least one of the two directors online from Lapu-Lapu City. Sen JV, you have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Anyway, magandang hapon, Sheila. No? Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi po ako mainit, kaya sana isagutin mo ako ng tama at maayos. Kasi marami rin yung kilalang ko na makilala kong ko kasi alam lahat eh. Ikaw lahat, hindi mo alam. Hopefully this time, tatanungin ko lang, gusto ko lang liwanagin, no? yung pong salaysay. So nagsimula yung salaysay nung sinundo kayo sa farm, sa Bamban, bumiyahe ng 4-5 oras, tama no? Tapos sumakay sa Porto, tapos sumakay na small boat. Ang tanong ko lang po kasi ang sabi ng PAOK, parang pareho sa istorya mo, sumakay ng Porto, doon po, nasabit nga kasi po, Madam Chair, that's why I'm also concerned. Napunta rin po ko sa Emon Pulo, no? Kilala ko po si Mr. Raymond Ronquillo. And yung pong access doon, siguro tanong ko lang si Raymond Ronquillo, ang access ba sa Emon Pulo ay meron bang land access doon? O paano ba ang pagpunta sa Emon Pulo?
Mr. Ronquillo.
Good afternoon po, Mr. Chair. Ang Emon Pulo po, you have to ride the boat. Wala po kaming, Mr. Chair, ng land access. So, if you're coming from SBMA or Pundakit, yun po ang access po natin papunta pong Emon Pulo via boat. Pag po nagta-travel po kayo ng mga 30 to 35 knots, siguro po abutin po tayo ng mga 35 to 40 minutes po ang biyahe from either SBMA or Pundakit po, Mr. Chair.
So, ang access to Emon Pulo is through boat or chopper? Kasi siyang sabi niyo, si Alice Go kanina, by chopper silang pumunta ron. Dalawa lamang, walang land access.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ang worry ko lang, Madam Chair, that's why I wanted PAOK to be here, because ang kanila pang istorya ay sa Emon Pulo, sumakay. In fact, sabi ni Mr. Casio noon, nakikinig po ako sa inyo eh, kaya nga hindi na ako nag-attend sa hearing with the able stewardship of the chair and si Senwin, Sen Joel, maayos na eh. Kaya lang, nabahala ako sa statement ni Mr. Casio ng PAOK. Nagpunta ang kanilang agents doon at meron yatang record, no? Si Mr. Ronquillo na nagpunta ang PAOK